Unlocking idioms, understanding, drive home. Hello everyone, today we're diving into a commonly used English phrase that can be a bit confusing for language learners. We're going to explore what it means to drive home a point. Let's get started. First, let's break down the literal meaning of drive and home. When you drive, you operate and control a vehicle, and home is the place where you live. So, putting them together, the most straightforward meaning is to operate a vehicle to return to where you live. However, when we talk about driving home a point, we're using the phrase figuratively. This means to make a point very clear and ensure it is understood by the audience. It's like steering a car towards a destination. You direct your conversation so that your point cannot be missed. Let's see how it works in practice. If someone says, "She really drove home the importance of being on time," they mean that she emphasized that point strongly. It's like saying she made sure everyone understood how crucial punctuality is. Remembering idioms can be tricky, but here's a tip. Visualize the phrase. Imagine someone firmly placing a sign in their front yard. They're not just placing it, they're making sure it's impossible to ignore. That's what you're doing with your point when you drive it home. And that's a wrap on drive home. I hope this video has helped clarify this idiom for you. Use it confidently in your conversations to make your point stand out. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.